how to change email on Groupon. So in order to change your email on Groupon, you cannot do that through your application. So you'll have to get to the web page of Groupon. So in order to do that, you can simply open any of your search engine. I'm going to go with Google and then simply type www.groupon.com and then simply search for it. After doing that, we'll get to the official website of Groupons just like this. And then from here, you'll have to make sure that you are logged into your account. You can simply tap on your profile icon right here. And then here you'll get the option of login. You can simply add down your email address and your password, and like that you'll be able to log into this website. Just like this, I am currently logged in. And after doing that, here what you're going to do is again tap on the profile icon, and then you can tap on your email address that you can see right here. And then we'll get to this page from which you can tap on personal info. After doing that, here you can scroll down and then you can see your current email address is right here. In order to change it, you can tap on change email. And in here, you'll have to now enter your new email address, and then you'll have to write down your password of your Groupon account in order to confirm. Just like this, here you can see I have wrote down my new email address and I have also wrote down the password of my account. Now all I have to do is tap on send link. So after that, here you can see we have now successfully changed our email. Simply tap on close. And if you want to verify your email, here you'll have to open your email box. So I'm going to go back and simply open my mailbox. And in here you can see this is the mail from Groupon. So here you can see the option of verify your email address. Tap on it. And then you can choose any of the browser. I'm going to go with Google. And just like this, all we need to do is simply re-log in again. So in here, you'll have to now enter your new email address. Just like this, tap on continue. And then in here, you'll have to now add down your name. And now in here, we have now successfully verified our email address. So if you want to re-log in, you can now simply use your new email address and the older password, and like that you'll be able to get into your account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.